To auto adjust wired headphones volume when the exercise mode is on in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode screen, tap exercise, tap change settings, and then tap media volume. Now slide the adjustment bar under wired headphones to the desired level. As the example, we will set it to 40%. Tap done button and then tap done button again to save the change. By doing this, now when the exercise mode is active, your phone will automatically adjust the media volume level to 40% while you are listening through wired headphones. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.